Hello, hi guys! Magandang hapon sa inyong lahat. This is Shin Rodriguez, Mamasigari Channel, a faith healer, also matarder. So ngayong hapon na to, tingnan natin nagsabihin sa iyo ng ating mga gabay. So this is a special gabay for the month of June 20 hanggang June 26 for the sign of Scorpio. So, Scorpio, welcome sa my channel. Ano kayang messages, advices ng spirit guides ang ating masasaga for today's video? Kaya kayang energy or kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Scorpio signs ang ating mahagilap. So, guys, this reading is a general reading lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit notification bell for more videos update. And of course, maraming salamat po sa mga walang sawang pagsuporta sa aking channel, lalo-lalo na ang hindi nag-i-skip ng ads na way pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapal, siksik, liglig, nag-uumapaw na biyayang manumbalik sa inyo. So, let's see what is the messages advice sa'yo ng ating angel spirits. So, let's watch this. Angel Spirit Guide, please give me information for the sign of Scorpio. Tara na. Alamin na natin yan. Angel Spirit Guide, please give me information po. So there's the Six of Coins. Now there's something giving, receiving something by the universe. Ibig sabihin dito magtutuloy-tuloy na about sa finances. So there's something of financial windfall here. Financial windfall here. No? Additional messages. And because there's an information with the Devil card. My God! May sumusubok halangin ng eksena mo, guys. And there goes the Ten of Pentacles and long-term success and long-term investment. So, see, kumaga pagitan siya ng financial windfall and long-term success. Ibig sabihin dito, kumaga napapalibutan ka ng mga taong inggitera. Ganon. And the Devil card represent of black magic involved. So, maaaring connected ka with the black magic, no? Maaaring kumbaga nasa mahi ka ng black magic involved. Maaaring kumbaga you have a full of negativities, no? Maaaring kinulam ka. Maaaring ginayuba ka or maaaring may sumpa ka, ganon. So this is the Nine of Cups with the secured. Kumbaga nakikita mo yan, kumbaga magkakaroon kasi ng pagtuloy-tuloy ng magandang daloy na eksena, pero meron ditong kumbaga umiepal sa eksena. So this is the Nine of Coin na nagre-represent na mag-secure, no? I-secure mo yung pera or kumbaga, pinaghirapan mo even your finances and career and love life. So, there's something fishy here na nag-represent na susubuking agawin at susubuking kunin.
Cosmos, pwede sa ko?
Hindi. Pwede natin deposito. Deposito na. Pero may case.
Isang kailangan ko.
Because there's a Knight of Wands for slow and steady, no? Slowly but surely. So, ibig sabihin dito, magtutuloy-tuloy naman yan. Hintay-hintay ka lang, no? May mga bagay lang na kailangan mo muna atupagin at umpisahan, no? This is the word card with the travel. Magkakaroon ka na something communication dito, no? Magtutuloy-tuloy na raw ang eksena or success mo dito, guys. There's something of communication, information, travel. There's something of success. The Six of Coins represent the Empress card, the revert, no? Magkakaroon ka ulit doon ng bagong eksena dito. No, magkakaroon ka ng, there's something of retreat, renewal, no? Bagong business. And the Devil card, ito ha, alamin na natin to kung ano yung the Devil card dito. There's the Sun card. See? Kita mo? Kumbaga maliliwanagan ka kung ano man tong hawak-hawak mo. Kumbaga may mga bagay ba na para makukuha mo o mapupunto mo na kung ano yung nagbibigay negatibo or malalaman mo na yung nagbibigay kamalasan. And the Ten of Coins represent the tower moment for a major changes. Ito na yung kumbaga unti-unti nang mababago, unti-unti nang matutupad yung mga bagay-bagay for you. The Nine of Coins represent The Moon card for truth reveal, na maliliwanagan ka lahat ng mga bagay-bagay for you. Kumaga, matutupad din yung mga pangarap mo dito. So, let's see what is the Knight of Wands. So, this is the Knight of Swords with the success driven, no? Kumaga, slowly but surely at bibilis din yan takbo ng eksena yan kapag nandun ka na sa situation. And of course, the World card represent the page of cup na makinig ka sa intuitions mo, sa gut feeling mo, sa inner voice mo. The Six of Coins represent the Empress card. So, there's a five cause sa something regret or disappointment, no? Kumaga, may mga tao mang gumagawa ng hindi maganda sa'yo. Kumaga, at the end of the time, madi-disappoint siya, no? The Devil card, and of course, the Sun card represent the Six of Swords. A transition. Kailangan mo na makaalis sa situation. Ibig sabihin dito, napapalibutan ka ng negativity sa paligid mo. Diyan sa, ibig sabihin, it's either sa trabaho mo, sa negosyo mo, sa pamilya mo, or either diyan sa paligid mo, no? Yun yung kailangan mo liwanagin, or baka ito yung magsilbing pagliliwanag, no? Maglilinaw sa'yo. The Ten of Pentacles and the Tower moment represent the Queen of Cups for healing, no? Kumaga, unti-unti ka na maghihilom, unti-unti ka nang gagaling sa iyong mga kanamdaman o yung mga pinagdaanan. So, let's see what is the Knight of Coin and of course the Moon card. Represent the Knight of Cups with the wish fulfillment. See? I told you, abot kamay mo nang makukuha yung mga bagay o hinahangad mo sa buhay. Kasi malalantad yung mga bagay o negatibo na nagbabalot sa isa eksena, no? Kumbaga, malalaman mo na kung ano yung, kumbaga, yung pinaka-ugat o nagiging sanhi, no? Kaya parang kahit na anong trabaho mo, hindi siya walang nangyayari, kahit anong sipag mo, kahit anong, tawag dito, kahit anong pagbabalat ng buto mo, gano'n pa rin ang nangyayari. So, eventually, guys, merong nagsisilbing, kumbaga, anay dun sa eksena mo, no? Kumbaga, nag-build ka ng isang bahay pero unti-unting kinakain ng anay. Parang gano'n. Kumbaga, sinasabi sa'yo dito na kailangan mong waksiin, no? Alisin yung nagsisilbing anay na to, no? Sa madaling salita, kailangan mo ng pesticides. Charis. And because let's see what is the Knight of Wands, and because the Knight of Swords. So this is the King of Swords, being wise. Now, stop the pattern. So may mga bagay na kailangan mo ng putulin, alisin, no? Yung mga bagay o yung nagbibigay stress sa'yo, no? The word card, because the Page of Cups represent the Ace of Swords with the breakthrough. Magtatagumpay ka at the end of the time. Magliliwanag to sa lahat ng mga bagay na kaya ka hindi makaalis sa situation. Additional outcome. Pagdating sa outcome, this is the Queen of Swords, a bigger picture of yourself, no? Kumbaga, unti-unti mo nang masisilayan ang mga pagbabago, no? Kumbaga, there's a development at course, a transformation na nangyari sa buhay mo. Kumbaga, nakikita mo na yung mga pagbabago, kaya parang lalo ka na mamotivate na para alamin, no? Puksain ang nagsisilbing anay. There's a justice. Karma is waving. Don't you worry. Makukuha mo ang hustisya. Additional messages about naman tayo sa career. About sa career mo, there is an information with the Magician. Manifestation. You have the power to change everything. And there is a desires into reality, no? Kumbaga, kayang-kaya mo maisakatuparan lahat ng mga pangarap mo dito. Ikaw yung gagawa ng isang bagay na ikababago ng buhay mo. And of course, there is a Knight of Cups with a blossoming abundance, no? Financial windfall. Kumbaga, ikaw yung magdadala sa buhay mo ng pagbabago ng career mo. Kumbaga, papalakasin na resource of income mo dito. Additional messages about sa love life. So, there's the Eight of Wands for fast communication and fast movement. There's a travel. Kumbaga, marami kayong ganap ng person mo. Maaring there's a lot of messages. Travel sa inyong dalawa, no? It's either a long distance kayo or either something, marami kayong gustong puntahan. And because this is a Seven of Swords, there is a something sneakiness or cheating lying on you. And the other half naman, meron ditong naglalay or may nagsisik. There's a something as secrets, no? And because there's a judgment, a wake of call, no? Parang may paalala sa'yo dito na you need to pay attention. Yung isang partner mo dito maaring nagsisinungaling behind your back, no? Liloloko ka, pinaglalaroan ka. No? Additional messages about sa love life. And of course, there is something a hermit card. This is spiritual. May kinalaman about sa spiritual. Kaya siguro nagloko yung person mo dahil parang pinapaalalahanan ka na ginagayuma yung person mo. Okay, additional messages about sa health. So, there's the Three of Swords. See? Mayroong gumagawa ng sakit sa'yo. Ginagawan ka ng sakit. There's the Four of Wands. So, something homecoming para umuwi itong person mo sa kanilang tahanan or para mabawi ito, no? Ng kanyang mga magulang. And there's the Eight of Swords with something of toxicity. So, there's a toxic environment. See, napapalibutan ka ng toxic family. Additional messages tayo. For Mystic Love Oracle card, no? This is a card for love life, no? So let's see. Paano natin i-clarify at paano madadagdagan ng informasyon tungkol sa buhay pag-ibig? Additional messages, Angel Spirit. Anong ganap mo sa love life? So there's something and happiness, no? Bliss and happiness. So mararamdaman mo na ang kaligayahan na nag-uumapaw. And there's something ghosted and disappearing. No, meron some of you ginosted ka ng person mo. And of course parang bigla na lang siya naglaho na parang bula. And of course there's something hook up na one night stand. No, some of you parang isang beses parang parang biglang nawala, parang isang beses lang kayo na nagkakilala nitong person mo, maaaring bigla siya nawala, no? Parang, di ba? Ginanswer ka ng isang araw lang. Ganon. Additional messages. So, let's see what is additional messages for a money move oracle deck for career and money reading. Additional messages. So, there is something direction, no? Kumbaga, sinasabi dito, do not deviate from your path at shock mentor if necessary. Plan where you want to be. So, ibig sabihin dito, kumbaga, binibigyan ka ng bagong direksyon. Kung ano yung tatahakin mo pagdating sa career mo, pagdating sa money involvement mo. Ibig sabihin dito, kumbaga, mas maganda yung nag-iisip ka, no, about sa business or pagdating sa career mo. Huwag mong pinapakisamahan yung mga taong ang pinag-uusapan ay puro hanas ng kapitbahay o kwento ng buhay ng iba. No? Pakisamahan mo yung mga taong may mga plano at business ang pinag-uusapan. And there's surprises. Marami kang mararanasan surprises dito. Unexpected turn can bring positive change. Be ready for change. Maganda ka sa pagbabago, ha? Mawiwindang ka. And there's money choices, no? Kumbaga, opportunities abound. When you are in the dilemma, all rounds lead to Rome. Look at all your options. No? Marami kang panggagalingan about sa finances, no? Kumbaga, it's either you are also multitasking or you have the power, no, na marami kang pinangahawakan na business, ganon. Or maraming kang business or career opportunities dito. Additional messages tayo for magical fairy messages. Kabog, ha? Kabog ang mo dito, love life and career mo. But especially guys, no, kumbaga, kaya ka nakakaranas ng hindi magagandang eksena kasi merong gumagawa sa iyo ng hindi maganda, kaya nagdudulot ng kamalasan. No, maaaring connected dito ang pamilya. Additional messages with the magical fairy messages. And there's the children. So, pati yung mga anak mo connected din daw. No? And there's a vegetarian, no? Kailangan mo ng fruit and vegetables. Mas yun ang kailangan mo muna ngayon. Mas marami pang prutas at marami pang gulay ang kailangan mong kainin. More on veggies ka muna, guys. So, let's see what is the synchronicities. Iwasan mo muna yung mga red meat or meats, no? Pwede fish and vegetable muna. And there's something home, no? There's something connected with your home. And there is a healing. So, magkakaroon ka na ng healing dito, guys. At the same time, there's something, a planting seed. Kung ano yung mga tinanim mo, maaaring mamukad ka at mamulaklak na siya. Wow! Ito yung tinatawag na blossoming abundance, guys, with financial windfall. Na? Uulanin ka ng biyaya, but especially kailangan mo munang alisin yung nagbibigay negatibo o anay sa eksena mo. Additional yin and yang oracle card. For spy looking, watching at you. So, see? Kumbaga, may sumusubaybay sa'yo. May mata ka sa eksena mo na yan. No? And there is an empathy by breakthrough. Magtatagumpay ka at the end of that time. And there's something, an ease of air, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. So, may kinalaman ka sa Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. It's either baka yan ang person mo. And there's a separation. See, nagkaroon na separation dito. No? Dahil din dito sa nangyari. Let's see what is additional messages for Archangel Michael. Messages for you. For Archangel Michael, messages for you in guarded and protected. No, pangalagaan and protection mo yung sarili mo. At the same time, the person that you're asking is about trustworthy, no? Kumbaga, magtiwala ka, no, sa sarili mo at magtiwala ka sa mga taong kinakausap mo. And make a commitment, no? Kung gusto mo yung isang bagay, mag-commit ka, even sa love life, career, and finances. Additional chakra messages for you. For the chakra, so there's a wisdom, enlightenment, no? Bibigyan linaw lahat ng mga bagay for you. And there's a completion. Wag mong hayaan mahuli ang lahat. And of course, there's a something information with an impatient, no? Habaan mo yung pasensya mo, marunong ka kumalma. There's a takes time. And there's a guilt, na mayroon dito may galit sa'yo. May ngit-ngit eh. Additional angels answer represent what? For an angel's answer represent what? So, the situation will improve, no? Ang sitwasyon may unti-unti na magbabago. Malayong-malayo ka na sa dating ikaw. So, there's a something forgiveness, no? Kailangan kapatawaran, no? Hindi para sa kanila, para sa sarili mo. And there's an abundance. Talagang bibigyan ng kasaganahan dito, ha? And of course, there's an if you believe. Basta naniniwala ka lang. Additional messages with an angel spirit guides. And there is something a blame, no? Wala kang ibang sisisihin sa mga bagay na nangyayari sa'yo kundi ang sarili mo. So there's a loneliness. Hindi ka daw nag-iisa, ha? Ginagabayan ka ng ating angel spirit, and there's a forgiveness, no? Kumbaga kailangan mo rin magpatawad kasi isa yan sa nagbibigay blockages. Kaya may mga bagay na hindi magtuloy-tuloy yung pasok ng magandang eksena sa'yo. For Monsology, and there is a look at the bigger picture. Lagi mo titingnan yung mga posibilidad na mangyayari sa hinaharap, no? Kumbaga titingnan mo yung sarili mo from 5 years, 10 years from now, kung ano na yung development, improvement, and of course, there is an emotional running high. So, magiging emotional ka this time. Kumbaga, it's either a tears of joy or something heartache. And the end of the top cycle approaches, no? Tatapusin na yung mga yugto ng buhay mo na nagbibigay balakid sa'yo. For the energy, represent what? Contracts. Now, there's a signing contract, guys, no? If either mangingibang bansa ka or something, a business contract, or either, guys, there's something, kumbaga, investment, or either a marriage contract, or something, dito separations, no? Meron tawag na, kumbaga, legal documents pagdating sa separations. And there's a deceit. See, I told you, may mangkukulam talaga ang creepy ng pets. Diba? May mangkukulam talaga. Ibig sabihin, may gumagawa sa'yo dito. Matandang babae. No? Gurang na to, ha? Nasa around 60 pataas. Almost 70 na din ata siya. Let's see what is our romance angels represent what? Engagement. Now, this is a higher level of commitment pagdating sa love life. No? Some of you guys, no, maaring kasal na kayo or maaring may asawa ka na. And of course, some of you naman, there's a new love. May bagong pag-ibig na papasok sa buhay mo. Additional messages with an angel spirit. And there is a planting, no? Kumbaga, magtanim ka lang na magtanim ng mga magagandang bagay, ha? Kasi aanihin mo yan in the near future. Diba? There's something of planting. And there's something, water by emotions. So, there's something rejuvenate, no? Kumbaga, pakalmahin mo yung sarili mo. And there's something of full moon by happiness, no? Enjoy your life from the fullest. From Archangel Raphael messages. For Archangel Raphael messages for you. And there is a relationship now connected with your love life. And there is a laughter is the best medicine. So, kailangan mo rin ng, kumbaga, mag-unwind, magliwaliw, no? Kailangan mo maging masaya. Huwag ka naman tumawa mag-isa, ha? And there is something alternative medicine. So, kailangan mo ng mga alternatibong medisina. Herbal. Ganon. Additional messages with an angel spirit. And there's an artist. No? May magdadrama dito, may artista dito, ha? And of course, there's a study, no? Kumbaga, palawakin mo ang kalaman mo, no? Kumbaga, may mga bagay na matututunan ka. And there's a children's, no? Connected with your children's, guys, kung may mga anak kayo. Angel spirit messages, given information po. And of course, there is something, empathic star seed. So, may mga bagay na hindi pa para sa'yo. Huwag mo pipilit, ha? And of course, there is an old path lead home. So, there is something inner authority and there's an intuition. No? Makinig ka sa intuition mo. May mga bagay na may isa sa kautuparan mo, makinig ka sa guidance mo. And of course, there is an information with the water your guidance. So, there's a rest. Kailangan mo alagaan yung sarili mo, katawan mo, magpahinga ka. No? So, let's see what is the Jesus loving quotes. Blessed are they that hear the word of God and keep it. So see, binabless daw yung mga taong naniniwala sa salita ng Diyos. For the angels number represent what? For the angels number represent what? 11:44 high vibes. So, ibig sabihin dito, paganda ng eksena mo dito, no? Love or other happiness looks are just around the corner. It will be something much better than in your wildest dream. Are there opportunities and exciting encounter with like-minded people and exceed your expectations? So, see, may mga regalo sa iyo ang ating universe, no? Na kakaiba, na hindi kumbaga bihira lang, no, sa mga binibigyan ng mga ganong oportunidad. Kaya kapag binigyan ka ng mga ganong opportunity, grab it, galingan mo at magpasalamat ka, no? So let's see what is additional messages for the messages of life. Appreciation. I am grateful for the abundance of my life. As I direct my thoughts toward all that is wonderful in my world, my troubles and worries lighten with a full heart and appreciate all that I have. Today, I accept what it is and choose to be satisfied. I express my loving thanks to the universe from the wealth that is mine. So, ibig sabihin, pagkakalob sa yung mga bagay na talagang nararapat sa'yo, may mga bagay na talaga kailangan mo magpasalamat sa mga ibinigay talaga sa'yo ng ating Panginoong may kapal, no? Panatilihin magpasalamat ka sa kung ano man ang meron ka. Pahalaga na pagyabungin kung anong yaman ang ipinagkalob sa'yo. So, guys, this is a special gabay for the month of June 20 hanggang June 26 for the sign of Scorpio. So, Scorpio, maraming salamat for this wonderful reading. So, once again, this reading is a general reading lamang. Hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kung hindi lamang pa makaka-relate sa inyo, and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. Because don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and notification bell for more videos update. And of course, maraming salamat po sa mga walang sawang pagsuporta sa aking channel. Lalo-lalo na ang hindi nag-skip ng ads na way pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapal siksik ligling na gumapaw na biyayang manubalik sa inyo at maraming salamat po. And see you in the next video. Bye-bye and babush!